It is given in this question that f is a function from n to z and fn is defined as fn is equal to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd, and fn is equal to 4 minus n by 2 if n is even. Here n is set of natural number and z is set of all integers. F is a function from n to z means we put number from this set in place of n and value of fn that we get belongs to this set, number from this set. Since this is set of all integers, some integers are odd and some integers are even, first we put odd integer. When we put 1, then 1 plus 1 by 2 means 2 by 2 means 1, image is obtained 1. When we put 3, 3 plus 1 by 2, 4 by 2, that is equal to 2, image is 2. Similarly, image of 5 is 3, image of 7 is 4. Now we put even natural number. When we put 2 here, 4 minus 2 by 2 means 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. Image of 2 is also 1. Image of 1 is 1 and image of 2 is also 1. Since image of two different number is same number, therefore f is not 1 1. Therefore f is not 1 1. When we put 4 here, then 4 minus 4 is 0, 0 by 2 is 0, image is 0. When we put 6 here, then we get image minus 1. When we put 8 here, then image is minus 2. We observe that all positive integers are images. 0 is also image of 4. All negative integers are also images of some number. That means each integer, every integer present in this codomain Z, this is codomain Z, are images of some element that is present in this set n. Therefore, this function f is onto. Now we look at the option. In option D, it is said that f is not 1 1. Not 1 1, but f is onto. Therefore, option D is correct. In this question, it is given that g is a function from z to n, from this set to this set. That means from this set to this set. And it is defined as Gn is equal to 3 plus 2n when n is greater than equal to 0 and Gn is equal to minus 2n when n is less than 0. We write numbers from this set here and numbers from this set here. When we put 0 here in place of n, we get image 3. When we put 1 here in place of n, we get image 5. Similarly, image of 2 is 7, image of 3 is 9. When we put negative integer, since Gn will be written according to this rule when n is negative, therefore when we put minus 1 here in place of n, we get image 2. When we put minus 2 here in place of n, we get image 4. When we put minus 3 here in place of n, we get image 6. We observe that every even natural number are images. Every odd natural number are also images except 1. Since 1 is present in this set, but 1 is not the images of any elements belongs to this set, therefore G is not onto. Since different element of this set has different images in this set everywhere, therefore this function is 1, 1. Now we see what is given in the option. In option C, it is said that G is 1, 1. G is 1, 1. This is correct. And G is onto. G is onto, but we see that G is not onto. Because of this option C is not correct. Since f is a function from n to z, from this set to this set, and G is a function from z to n, from this set to this set, then GOF will be a function from this set to this set. That means GOF will be a function from n to n. GOFN means GFN, but Fn is n plus 1 by 2 when n is odd. When n is odd, then Fn is n plus 1 by 2. Therefore, in place of this Fn, we write n plus 1 by 2. When n is even, then Fn is 4 minus n by 2. Therefore, in place of Fn, we write 4 minus n by 2. When we put 1 here in place of n, we get 1, means positive integer. When we put 3 in place of n here, we get positive integer. 3 plus 1 by 2, some positive integer. Therefore, function g will be written according to this rule. In place of this n, we will write n plus 1 by 2. N plus 1 by 2. When we put 2 in place of n here, we get 1, which is positive integer. When we put, therefore G will be written according to this rule. When we put 4 in place of this n here, then 4 minus 4 by 2 is 0. Therefore, G will be written according to this rule. Therefore, for n is equal to 2 and 4, this will be written according to this rule. We will write 4 minus n by 2 in place of n here. When we put 6 here in place of n, we get minus 1, which is negative integer. When we put 8 here, we get negative integer. Therefore, function g will be written according to this rule. In place of this n, we will write 4 minus n by 2. When n is equal to 6, 8, 10, etc. After simplifying it, we get this is equal to n plus 4, this is equal to 7 minus n, this is equal to n minus 4. Therefore, GOFN is equal to, is defined as this, will be this. Image of 1 is 5, image of 3 is 7, image of 5 is 9, image of 2 is 5, image of 4 is 3, image of 6 is 2, image of 8 is 4, image of 10 is 6. We see that image of 1 and 2 both are same number 5. Therefore, GOF is not 1, 1. We also observe that all odd number greater than 5 are images of some number belongs to this set. 3, odd number 3 is also image of some number 4 present in this set. Every even number are also image of some number, but 1 is not the image of any number belongs to this set. Since 1 is not the image of any element, therefore GOF is not onto. Now we see what is given in the option. In option A, it is said that GOF is not 1, 1. Not 1, 1. This is correct. And GOF is not onto. GOF is not onto. This is also correct. This is also correct. Therefore, option A is correct. Since G is a function from Z to N, F is a function from N to Z, therefore FOG will be a function from this set to this set. That means from Z to Z. FOGN means FGN. GN, this GN is 3 plus 2n when n is 0 or positive integer, means 0 is 1, 2, 3, etc. And Gn is minus 2n when n is negative integer, that means n is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. Therefore, in place of this Gn, we write 3 plus 2n when n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. And in place of this Gn, we write minus 2n when n is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. When we put these numbers in place of n, then we get some. When we put 0, we get 3, odd natural number. When we put 1, we get 5, odd natural number. When we put 2, we get 7, odd natural number. Therefore, F3 plus 2n will be written according to this rule. In place of n here, we will write 3 plus 2n. When n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. When we put minus 1 here, we get 2. When we put minus 2 here in place of n, we get 4. When we put minus 3 here in place of n, we get 6, even natural number. Therefore, value of f minus 2n will be written according to this rule. In place of n, we will write minus 2n. When n is equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. After simplification, we get this. Since when n is 0 or positive integer, then also FOG is n plus 2. And when n is negative integer, then also FOG is n plus 2. Therefore, we can write FOGN is equal to n plus 2 when n is any integer, positive or negative or 0. Since different elements of this set has different image in this set, therefore this function FOG is 1, 1. Since every element present in this set is image of some element of this set, therefore this function FOG is onto. Now we will see what is given in the option. In option B, it is said that FOG is not 1, 1. Not 1, 1. But we see that FOG is 1, 1. Therefore, this option B is not correct. FOG is not 1, 1, but FOG is onto. FOG is onto. This is correct, but this is not correct. Therefore, this option is not correct.